In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to continue numbering in Microsoft Word, a handy skill that can save you time and frustration, whether you're working on a document for work, school, or personal projects. First off, let's begin by opening Microsoft Word itself. To do so, you'll need to find the Windows Start menu. This is usually located at the bottom left corner of your screen, symbolized by the Windows logo. Once you've clicked on it, a search bar will appear, ready for your input. Next, you're going to type Word into the search bar. As you type, you'll notice that suggestions begin to populate. Look for Microsoft Word in these suggestions. It's typically represented by a blue document icon with a prominent W on it. When you see it, go ahead and click on it to open Microsoft Word. Upon launching Microsoft Word, you're presented with various options to start your document. You can either click on Blank Document to start fresh, or select any of your recent documents if you wish to continue from where you left off. This choice sets the stage for the work you're about to do, so select the option that best suits your needs. Now the real magic begins. Once your document is open, it's time to locate the Home tab located at the top of your screen. This tab is your gateway to numerous formatting tools that can enhance your document. Among these options, you're looking for the paragraph group, specifically the numbering drop-down menu. This feature might not catch your eye immediately, so take a moment to locate it. It's generally symbolized by a few lines with numbers beside them, indicating its purpose for list creation and organization. Clicking on the numbering drop-down menu opens up a world of numbering styles and formats to choose from. These are part of what's known as the numbering library. Each style offers a different visual appeal and format for your list, ranging from simple numerics to complex hierarchical systems. Select a style that complements your document's layout and aesthetic. This decision will automatically apply the chosen numbering format to your list, structuring your content neatly and making it easier to follow. This process, though straightforward, can greatly impact the professionalism and readability of your documents. It's worth noting a few additional tips here. Depending on your document structure, you may find yourself needing to adjust the numbering sequence at various points. Microsoft Word offers customization options within the numbering library that allow you to restart numbering at any given point or continue from a previous list seamlessly. This feature is particularly useful when dealing with lengthy documents that require distinct sections without starting your numbering sequence over. In your document journey, you may also stumble across times when the numbering doesn't behave as expected. For instance, restarting at one instead of continuing where it left off. This often happens when lists are separated by text or images. A useful tip here is to right-click on the first number of your new list and look for the Continue Numbering option. Selecting this ensures that your list maintains its numerical order, providing consistency and clarity throughout your document. Creating, formatting, and managing lists in Microsoft Word doesn't have to be a daunting task. With the simple steps we've discussed, plus a few additional insights into customization, you're well equipped to handle numbering with ease and flair. Remember, experimenting with the different styles and formats in the numbering library can also unlock new creative possibilities for your documents. These features, though small, can significantly enhance the overall presentation and effectiveness of your work. And there we have it, a complete guide to continuing numbering in Microsoft Word. This function, while simple, plays a crucial role in document organization and presentation. Whether you're drafting an official report, organizing your thoughts in a personal document, or piecing together an academic paper, mastering the art of numbering will ensure your content is both appealing and easily navigable. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found these insights helpful and are now more comfortable using numbering in your Microsoft Word documents. Happy writing, and I look forward to guiding you through more useful tips and tricks in future videos.